Good afternoon, guys. I am at Zara now, trying on a couple of things. I did some work things this morning and it's just after lunchtime now, and I thought I would pop into Zara and look at a few things. I don't know how I feel about this top. It's really soft. I feel like the neckline is a little bit weird. These jeans are absolutely gorgeous. These jeans look really nice, but they feel a bit weird, like around my bum area as I walk. But this is the white version of that top. It's really soft, you guys. I think this is a medium because you don't really want it tight. I feel like this one is a little bit more like pajama-esque. I had to loosen my hair because every single time I put something on, my hair just kept like falling off. It feels like I'm wearing a pajama top. Kind of looks like that too. I think the other one has like a very stylish like neck detail, so it looks like you are wearing something that's not pajamas. I just feel this one is a little bit pajama-y. Can't really see in this lighting because it's black, but I really like these pants. They're super cute, and it's like it's a different type material, and I like that it's not like singed in like around your ankles, so it'll look really cute with like slides. I think I'm gonna get these ones. Looks so cute and chic. I think I'm gonna get this one. I just got to Woolworths. I want to pick up a few things for the apartment because we barely have food in the cupboards. I just left Zara. I actually initially went in there because I was looking for a pair of jeans that I saw in Cape Town. They were just plain blue jeans with like pearls going down the sides, but they didn't have them, so I just ended up getting those black tracksuit bottoms. I feel like they are tracksuits, but they still feel like really sleek and, you know, sophisticated. So yeah, I'm just in Woodies. I think I don't have like a shopping list on me. I'm just gonna browse and see what I think we need. So I'm just taking you guys along with that. I'm at home now, and I'm literally trying to walk so carefully in between all of these shelves because I don't want to knock anything over with my trolley. But how pretty are these appliances? They're so chic. Like, how many times have I said chic and sleek and sophisticated in this vlog? I don't even know. But look how pretty. It's literally like all beige and metallic and chrome. But I mean, look at the price. 2,300 Rand for a damn toaster. And NutriBullet has a 15% off here at home. So I might just get myself this before the 16th of May. Look at my nails, they're just so disgusting. I want these like click containers for storage, but they're so expensive. Like, I think I can find them somewhere else, but I'm not sure if I will find them. I saw them at another store that were, I think they were like half the price of these ones, so I might just have to let you know on that. Our first ever grocery trip. Yay! Okay, now we need to pack all of this out. Okay, shall we do a grocery haul? I think so. So I'll show you what I got for the first mini grocery haul type thing. So first, I went to Woolworths And I got a couple of things. I feel like my hair is looking super weird, but oh well. Okay, so got eggs. These are just free-ranged eggs. And then I got rose petal and vanilla tea. That looks really good. Avocado. I love coriander. I got a cook-in bolognese sauce. We're not going to have that for dinner, but anyway. Roast potato seasoning. Butter chicken curry seasoning. I got this 6-tub thing of yogurt. I am lactose intolerant, but I feel like yogurt is a little bit more gentler to my tummy, but I really like the flavors. Blueberry, coconut, and passion fruit. And I know Bren also likes to take one to work. Salt and pepper. I also really liked this little container. And then I got sweet potatoes because I want to do like a roast sweet potatoes. And then Brent's gonna decide what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. I have 2 options for him. One of the options, do you think you're gonna like it? Tomka soup. Ek weet ek het jou reaksie afgeneem. So tomka soup is like a Thai coconut milk soup, and it's one of our favorite dishes at like Thai restaurants. And then I stopped at Pick n Pay. I got lettuce, lemons, cucumber, tomatoes, potatoes, and these are my favorite olives. The Kalamata pitted olives from the brand Tuna Marine. If you love olives and you love like a sour olive, then you will love that. Also from Pick n Pay, Sprite Zero. Got these rusks. Bren likes to have rusks in the morning, and I know he likes the buttermilk one, but these ones are a little bit healthier. I got jasmine rice and chicken breast. I also got some sweet corn because Bren and I really like sweet corn. Some peanut butter. This one is no added sugar, no added salt. We don't have any kitchenware or plates or anything. So I just got 2 bowls to eat out of tonight, and then 2 spoons to eat the soup and the rice with. So you can use a plastic fork for the salad, and I got a knife to cut the chicken up with. I haven't seen like a cutlery and a kitchenware set that I like, so I'm just buying like things that I like are, you know, a little bit expensive, but I'm not going to buy the entire set. So that is, no, we've got one more bag from Pick n Pay. Spray and cook. Garden peas, just a tiny one because I don't know. We are going away in 2 days, so this is basically just food to cover us for a day or two, and then, you know, things that won't go bad. Another sweet corn. Were these on special? Sweet corn. Aromat. And then I got mango. Oh, I forgot. I have one more bag. I stopped at Discount Pharmacies. What's up? I stopped at Discount Pharmacies and I got a few things. I got my almond milk, and then I got some containers, Friends shaving razor. I got myself a Venus sensitive, Friends hair wax. I I got this almond butter to try because I wanted to buy the big one, but I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. So I just bought the small one, and then some honey for the tea. And I think that's it. Let's make dinner. So this is the cookware. What was that? Oh. That was creepy. So this is the cookware set that I got. It's just a 8-piece all stainless steel cookware set. I really don't like the cookware sets that have like glass lids. I just like the sleekness again of these ones. Shall we do it in this one? So these are your ingredients for the tom kha soup. Brenna's just washing the pots since we haven't used them yet. We just have some chicken breast, some spray and cook olive oil to fry them in or to grill them in, some jasmine rice, salt and pepper, aromat. I don't know if you guys know of aromat, but it's one of my favorite seasonings. You can use it for almost anything. And then I got this from Woolworths. It's tom kha Thai soup. It's like coconut milk, and you can add whatever you want into it. So I'm going to add chicken into it, and I think the peas as well. Where are the peas?
In the freezer.
In the freezer? That's so sad. We literally have one thing in the freezer.